It's a beautiful day at Tower Chrysler to introduce to you this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L and a Tusk White exterior. It rides on 17-inch Kumo Solus tires. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving this Pacifica 287 horsepower. Along the driver's side door, you have your power locks, power windows, and your power mirrors. This Pacifica seats up to 7 people with premium leather seating. And if you're on the driver's side, you get access to the power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. On the left, you have your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio controls. And as we head into the odometer, it reads 15,798 kilometers. This Pacifica comes with a Uconnect touchscreen, so you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we head into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. Going to controls, you get heated front seats. And going to nav, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. Down below is your tri-zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear section of the Pacifica. You can choose to do it by the buttons down below or on your Uconnect touchscreen. Heading to the second row, you have 2 captain chairs. Both can be used as stow and go with lots of leg space. Heading into the back, we have 3 more seats with lots of leg space. And looking up, we have the third of our tri-zone climate control system. And once you're done in the back, you have a button right here that activates the power sliding door. As we head to the trunk, there's plenty of cargo space with storage along the side. And if you need any more, the third row is a 60/40 split fold stow and go. Once you're done in the back, you have another button right here that activates the power liftgate. So there you have it, the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L. If you like what you see and would like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler, get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.